Happy birthday, Daddy Emil!
We love you. Stay healthy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Speech.
Special Emiliano's 60th birthday. We wish you a good health, more birthday to come. Stay healthy and young.
Yes.
Pogi pa rin. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
See you soon.
See you soon. Alumnos. Bye-bye.
Happy
birthday.
Healthy.
Good health. All the best. See you soon.
Matthew.
Stay young and handsome. Emiliano.
Hi, Dong Emil. Kumusta na? Happy birthday and many more years to come. Nya, paano ay gwapo man ito Dong Emil, oy. Sige bye. Kita ra ba jud ko ani Emil kay friend on big Facebook. Pati kani nga akong message nimo dia Dong. Okay. Bye-bye.
Go na.
Happy birthday, Daddy Emil. More
Ikaw lang.
vacations soon. More beaches.
See you soon. Ako ka na kagwapo.
Please stay healthy and stay safe. Bye.
Go.
Happy birthday, Daddy Emil. We wish you very happily and healthy. Dahil na-miss na kita, kausapin. Ayan. Yes. See you in the future. Saan makita?
See you and...
Happy birthday, Dong.
Go!
Happy birthday, Daddy Emil.
Happy birthday po na po na.
Happy birthday, Daddy Emil. See you next year.
For taking care of my lovely daughter.
Eh, si Manoy.
Eh, may buntag, may gabi, may kuwadra sa mga ara to. Panay, happy birthday rin mo dra. Happy birthday, o gabi.
Happy Father's Day
Happy Father's Day to Emil.
Happy birthday ko na ingos Yuhan to Emil, oh.
Amping dra, amping mo dra. Happy birthday. Happy birthday dito. Ay, dodong.
Birthday thing.
Happy,
happy, happy, happy
birthday. Happy birthday to.
Nakalimot ang tuloy. Happy. Sa parang na dyan, nakalimot yun.
Happy birthday to Emil. Happy Father's Day po. Salamat din ninyo ni Tawares sa inyong tao. Kada ako manginaot nga magmalipayo na imong adlaw na tawhan karon o kanang padayon gyapon tas kinabuhi. Salamat kayo. Happy birthday o happy Father's Day di ba?